Today, the Kiwanis Club of Montego Bay is delighted to spearhead this seminar titled The Parent's Journey, Supporting Your Special Needs Children.
The workshop here today came out of, well, really my personal journey. I'm a parent of an autistic child. So I saw the challenges I went through and I thought it was something that I know the wider community of Montego Bay and St. James would find valuable. So that's how it came about.
So I'm a behavior analyst. So I work on functional communication training, which develops communication in children with autism and other disabilities. The rate of children who are being diagnosed with autism goes up every year, as well as 1 in 8 children who need behavior services or some type of behavior therapy on some level. So for teachers as well as for parents, it's a very important thing to expand our services in the community.
So with our partners, Barita, MDR, PriceSmart, they have come together, and as well as Wayfinder, and to bring us here together, all together to make this possible today.
The goal of this session today is to transfer the knowledge to parents, helping them to acquire new parenting skills so they can promote and sustain behavioral improvements in children with autism spectrum disorder.